Big Cash Bingo currently stands out because it lets players compete for real money, and also offers free play before making a deposit. It supports PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, and Apple Pay for deposits and withdrawals. Bring it on. Wanonoya. By the end you'll know which 7 bingo apps are worth checking in 2026, how their cash games work, and which ones deserve the top spots. At number 7 is a Bingo Tour.dat. It's an Avia Games title built around competitive bingo, power-ups, and cash tournaments. You can play free content, but cash matches require eligibility, and may involve an entry fee. It works, but there are stronger options higher on this list. Number 6 is N Bingo Clashing. This app uses fast, head-to-head matches where players compete for cash prizes. Avia Games specifically lists PayPal as a withdrawal option, along with several deposit methods. Cash game availability depends on location, so check the cash lobby before depositing. Avia Games. Twisted. Number 5 is Bingo Bliss. Avia Games says players can choose free ticket matches or cash matches, and eligible winnings can be withdrawn through PayPal. The game gives both players identical boards, number calls and time limits, with speed and power-up decisions affecting the score. Yoya Games. 3. At number 4 is Bingo Cash. An independent, 2026, test reported a $22.80 PayPal cash out after 41 paid tournaments. That doesn't mean you'll earn the same amount, but it does provide a documented example of an actual withdrawal. A Home Income Lab. 4. Number 3 is N Blackout Bingo. A separate 2026 test reported a $28.40 PayPal cash out after 47 paid tournaments. Blackout Bingo uses a speed-based format, and paid tournaments involve real financial risk because you can lose your entry money. A Home Income Lab. 5. Number 2 is Eng Cash Legends. It's broader than a dedicated bingo app because it combines bingo with other skill games, including solitaire and block games. Its App Store listing currently reports $13 million in prizes handed out every month, although that figure is a platform-wide prize claim rather than an amount any individual player should expect. Our App Store on 6. And number 1 is eBay Big Cash Bingo. Bring It On Games describes it as a skill-based bingo game where you can play without depositing, then compete for real money. The company also lists PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, and Apple Pay for payments, and says the game is available in select countries and regions. You bring it on. Wanuna. The key difference across all 7 is that real money play isn't guaranteed income. Paid tournaments can cost money, and withdrawal eligibility can vary by location and account. So the ranking is eBingo Tour, Bingo Clash, Bingo Bliss, Bingo Cash, Blackout Bingo, Cash Legends, and Big Cash Bingo J. Before depositing, open the withdrawal page, confirm your payment method is supported, and check the current entry and cash out rules. If you want more rankings of apps that actually pay real money, like the video and subscribe.